Make a great choice today with
the 2025 Golf GTI. This Volkswagen is considered by many to be the hot hatchback. The GTI easily accommodate up to 4 adults. A decent-sized 15-plus cubic foot trunk is well-shaped and easy to load. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, turbocharged, panoramic roof, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, wheel locks, daytime running lights, fog lamps, front-wheel drive. Elevate your status and command attention with this sleek and stylish car.